Repository number 1. OpenBB Finance/OpenBB. This repository investment research for everyone, everywhere. Here's a brief overview. README highlights. The first financial platform that is free and fully open source. The OpenBB platform offers access to equity, options, crypto, forex, macroeconomy, fixed income, and more, while also offering a broad range of extensions to enhance the user experience according to their needs. Repository number 2. Hackcider/DeepLiveCam. This repository real-time face swap and one-click video deepfake with only a single image. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Hackcider/DeepLiveCam description, real-time face swap, and one-click video deepfake with only a single image. It can assist artists in animating custom characters, creating engaging content, and even using models for clothing design. Repository number 3, Microsoft/Marketdown. This repository Python tool for converting files and Office documents to Markdown. Here's a brief overview. Repository, Microsoft/Marketdown description, Python tool for converting files and Office documents to Markdown. README highlights. Marketdown important breaking changes between 0.0.1 to 0.1.0. Dependencies are now organized into optional feature groups. Further details below.